I'm Melanie and this is Baby Tiger, and we're going to give you
a house tour of the most spoiled cat in Bali.
him some liver, and yeah, he's having it off a gold spoon.
It's time for the next adventure. Pack your cyber bags and let's go! Like, share, and subscribe for more travel, food, and fun.
This is my little bestie, and it is genuinely a rags to riches story. This little guy was a stray cat. Long story, but now he's my bestie, and we're gonna give you a little tour of our tiny apartment, and it's really his place, as you'll see. Oh gosh. I was trying to film a really cool intro for you, but this guy has other plans. He's busy. He has some hunting to do. They just cleaned and they made this like adorable little swan. So cute. Okay, well, I'll continue with the video while this guy takes care of the prey that's on my bed. Yeah, so it's really a rags to riches story. So let's have a little tour. Welcome to our crib. So it's very tiny. What you see is what you get. This is the whole place. So it is a little bit small for us, but you know, we make do, right, baby? That's right, yes. I'm slowly teaching him not to bite, slowly. He's doing good. Getting off strong, we have this wonderful cat tree. He thoroughly enjoys it, and he absolutely loves staying up here, but this is a little bit small because he is growing so fast. Sometimes I take this out because he likes to be able to like stretch up and stuff. Oh, here he is. See, I asked for his help to show you guys everything, and apparently he's on it. Thank you, love. Yeah, so sometimes I'll take this out so he can like stretch out, which he's demonstrating right now. Good job, love. And I'm not gonna lie, he is obsessed with this toy. I got it at IKEA, and I went back and I got like a bunch of new ones because like he rips it apart, but it actually is pretty durable. So I actually do recommend it. It's all stitching and stuff, so there's no like little buttons to rip off or anything. But he loves this. He often will play with it in bed, which is interesting. And I got some more. These are also from IKEA, a little bee. Right, love? So he likes to have his space. So he's got a number of different sleeping zones, as well as up there, which I'll give you a tour. Baby, you want to show them? So this is the one on top of the fridge, my desk. This is another one of his sleeping spaces, and yes, you're not hallucinating. I have multiple of these because he just loves it so much. And then I got him this little thing. He actually doesn't use it that much. It has a strong smell, so I imagine that it like bothers him. It smells like wood or something, but it's like very potent. It's hard to breathe in there, so I think that's why maybe he doesn't like it that much. And he's got this little cat tree with his toys. Oh, he's also got these. Ooh, he had 3, but one of them broke. So I just throw these out for him. He's the most spoiled cat in Bali. Right, babe? He's got work to do. Show him what you got. And I put a chair here for him. Sometimes he will sit. And then, yeah, so he's got these little toys, his little food dishes. Oh, I just got him this cat grass, which he's obsessed with. He really, really likes this. I have to give it sunlight, so sometimes I'll put it outside. And he gets so upset, and he'll like watch it from out the window. It's really cute. Guy's obsessed with his plant. He loves it. Baby, you like your cat grass? I put him outside to get some sunshine. The grass, and baby was like not happy about it. He's like, give me my plant. So it's wheatgrass, apparently. He used to live in the bushes when I found him, so. His little pink dishes. Baby, are you gonna demonstrate? Yeah, and then I also have a little bed up here, and he actually fell down a couple times, which is really scary. So I taped it up there. I actually taped them all because they were slipping. So yeah, it's like a little cat palace here. Oh, we have an issue. We have an issue. Oh no, love. He spilled his water. It's okay, love. Oh, it's a little small here. He's always getting into things. He is a wild cat, so the reason that I have like all these wonderful areas is just because oh, look at him. Yeah, he's drinking the water from the ground right now. You can take the cats out of the streets, but you can't take the street out of the cat. He used to do this when he was a little stray kitty. Cutie. I think he's like one of the most rarest cats that actually loves drinking water. Oh yeah, speaking of water, I have his water dish here, but then I also have his water cup here, which he drinks from frequently as well. Oh yeah, I can't forget to show you his drawer of things. More of these. I think I ordered every different harness online, and yeah. A lot of them, like, I don't know, they just don't work properly. Anyways, he loves his little toys. Hey, baby. Want to take this one? Come here. He's a wild one. Yeah, so it's really a rags to riches story here. Right, babe? Any final last words, love? To tell the people? I think he just says, you know, believe in your dreams. And he wishes every kitty could have a nice home like him. Yeah. Babe, what are you doing? What are you doing? He found a way to like get stuff from under here even when it's closed. I often will wake up with toys in the bed. It's really funny. Okay, watch out, love. I'm scared I'm gonna like nip him. Watch yourself. Watch yourself before you wreck yourself. Do you have any last words? Him some liver, and yeah, he's having it off a gold spoon. That actually happened by accident, but I was trying to defrost it for him because it was frozen. You have to be really careful not to give them too much liver because it can actually be very harmful. So you have to have like small portions, not too often. Bali, the place that dreams are made. To riches, baby, rags to riches. I still feed the stray cats, but now I'm cautious. I don't show them where I live. I try not to like have them dependent on me. But yeah, I do carry like cat and dog food in my purse because there's just so many strays in Bali. It's so hard. Anyways, thanks for watching.
If you enjoyed this, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to join our next adventures, and adopt, don't shop. There's so many lovely souls that would love a place in your heart at home.